In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Twitter Pixel on your Shopify store. This process is crucial for those looking to optimize their marketing efforts by tracking customer interactions with precision. So let's dive right in. To get started first, navigate to your Shopify admin panel. This is essentially the control center of your store, where you can manage all backend activities. Once you're there, look for the Apps section on the left-hand menu. This section allows you to improve the functionality of your store with various third-party integrations that can simplify tasks like marketing, customer service, and more. You'll want to click on Add Apps, which will take you to the Shopify App Store, a platform offering a myriad of tools specifically designed to enhance your store's capabilities. It's important to familiarize yourself with this store as it will be your go-to resource for integrating new apps into your Shopify environment. Next, use the search bar and type in Twitter Pixel. This pixel is a small piece of code created by Twitter that's essentially your gateway to understanding how people interact with your advertisements. By gathering data, it allows you to measure the performance, create tailored audiences for ad targeting, and ultimately refine your marketing strategies. Once the search results appear, locate the Twitter Pixel app. After that, select the option to install it. The installation process is straightforward, but you may be prompted to log in or authenticate your Twitter account. Make sure you're prepared with your credentials. With the app now installed, you'll need to configure it to communicate effectively between your store and Twitter. The app should automatically guide you through this setup process. It's crucial to follow these prompts carefully as they will dictate how your Facebook Pixel tracks consumer data and interactions. After successfully setting up, it's beneficial to double-check that the Twitter Pixel is active and running. Head back to your Shopify admin panel and test the integration to ensure everything is functioning as expected. By confirming the Pixel is working correctly, you assure that all valuable insights are captured efficiently. Take some time to explore the settings of the Twitter Pixel on your Shopify store. Adjust the configurations based on your marketing needs. Activating features like conversion tracking or automatic audience building can vastly improve your advertising performance. And there you have it. Installing the Twitter Pixel on Shopify is not just a technical enhancement, but a strategic move that allows you to leverage customer data to boost your marketing results. Be sure to continuously monitor the performance and tweak settings to get the most out of your advertising efforts. Your Shopify store is now equipped with a powerful tool to help you understand customer behavior, further enhancing your business strategy. Thanks for watching, and happy selling with Shopify!